बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Parents Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn exercise 4.7, question number 1, class 9, part 9, class 9 maths, chapter number 4, factorization, Sindh Board. We are going to learn synthetic division method. So book answers are not written, but we can check from the paper. So the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 are written. Here is not step 6, only still step 5. First of all, draw table. Then place multiplier to left hand side. So this, wait. X minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. This is multiplier and I am writing here this multiplier. Now I am removing it. You have noted now. Now then place multiplier to left hand side. Done this. Place coefficient after multiplier. 2 minus 2 100 minus 168. Then place constant to right hand side plus 95. Then place first coefficient below first coefficient 2. Then multiplier with first coefficient at right also below second coefficient. 2 to the 4. Add, subtract, minus plus the minus. So we will do the minus, so answer will come 2. First answer is 2, correct. So multiply 2 with 2, 2 to the 4. Then right answer below third coefficient. Done this, add, subtract 104. So second answer is 104, correct. Now multiply 2 with 104. So here will become 108. So add, subtract, so the answer will become 40. Now third answer is 40, correct. Now multiply 2 to 40. So this 240 the here will become 80. So then right answer below constant 95. Done this. Find remainder. Final answer is 175 remainder, correct. 175 remainder is equal to 175 is correct. And now this is our answer. Now let's check from the answer. First of all, we have still didn't find out the question. So let's find the question and go ahead. First of all, I am writing this 2x cube plus 2x square plus 104x plus 40. And you can say it where we took this. Correct, no? Where we took this. I will tell you here. I am removing it. First of all, this we will write here 2, 104 and 40. So this 40 will be is equal to 40 will become, that's why this find quotient qx by taking number as coefficient below bottom line. That's why. And second is find value of qx by using variable of px degree less than 1. Understood? So here will become, here is x power 4 x cube, so 2x cube. So this 2x cube comes, and this is plus hidden, so here will come, so plus 2 x square and plus 2x square plus 2x square 40x. So here come plus 140x, 140, so plus 40. Understood? Where we get? And now let's check from the book answers. I write on the paper, so now you can check it. First of all, remainder is equal to 105, 175 correct. Now 2x cube, qx is equal to correct, 2x cube plus 2x square plus 104x plus 40 correct. No subscribe, no like, only share.